Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? My name is Jennifer, and today a very quick one. I want to show you when you are listing your product or your t-shirts or sweaters on Etsy and you want to link the colors. This is how to do it. Let me show you what I'm trying to explain here. If you open something you want to buy, let's say you want to buy these sweatshirts, and you want to buy it in white because it's showing black right now. You want it in black, but you want to see how the white looks like before you buy it. When you just put your hand here and click on that white, it will change to white, right? If you want it in navy and touch it, it change in navy, just for you to see how it looks like before you purchase. There's so many listing out there. Yes, they have all the colors, but when you select that color that you want, you can't really see it. It's not there to be found. So this is the teaching today to show you how to do that. Okay, so when you are on your listing page, when you want to list and you have put all the colors that you want, you have done your title, your description, you put everything. Make sure when you come down here where they say variation, normally it's like this, make sure you click here to select all and then click on link photos, and it's going to bring out all the, I'm trying to do it again, sorry. It's going to bring out all the, look at it, when you click on link photos, and then you click on choose variation, you click on colors. So you're going to see all the colors you have already uploaded, and then you try to link them. That's what I'm doing right now. I go to baby blue, I'm linking it. I go to natural, I'm linking it to natural. I'm going to silver, I'm linking it to silver. For example, I'm going to white, I'm linking it to white. And then you click save. So that when somebody wants to buy this your product, the person can change to silver or change to any color, and the person will be able to see that color to buy. And then you click publish. So this is how to do it. So when you have done it this way, if you click on the thing you want to sell, let's say I want to buy this, I'll be able, in case if I have done it or the person have done it, you'll be able to select different colors. You see, you'll be able to select different colors. If you want it in natural, natural will come out. If you want it in white, white will come out. So this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and bye everybody. Bye-bye.